Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today, talking about the Segway miniLite. It just scaled this whole gravel driveway. Zach? Oh, Mark, dude. Mark. Dude. Oh, what? Oh, it's not... Oh, on the what? Segway miniLite. Yeah. He's like that, dude. Oh no.
Riding through the streets, my Segway on the glide. Feeling that breeze, just cruising, no need to hide. Twist and turn, catch a smile on my face. Wheels spin slow, I'm just floating in my space. Bounce on the pavement, city lights in my eyes. Got that funky rhythm, watch me roll, watch me rise. Hands in the air, feel the rhythm in the sway. Life's a little lighter when I'm cruising on my Segway. I'm just floating in my space. Yeah. Bounce on the pavement, city lights in my eyes. Got that funky rhythm, watch me roll, watch me rise. Hands in the air, feel the rhythm in the sway. Life's a little lighter when I'm cruising on my Segway.
And funny enough, you can even play Brawl Star on the Segway. Ah, hey Mark, we're gonna head out. Bro, not again. It's just that comfortable. I've learned very many techniques on the Segway, jumping included. Sometimes my Segway has gotten stuck where it infinitely rotates, but it's easy to adjust when you clean out this area specifically. There has been so many times where I've taken this Segway up and down hills of many varieties. Obviously, it takes a bit of practice, but this thing is a beast.
I heard it goes down hills too, right? It's worth it?
Oh, it does go down hills.
Oh.
Really well. This is a little much for me.
No, I mean on camera. Have you tried going in the bush maybe? You want to do a bush test?
Not that bushy.
Oh. You're more like a no bush guy, eh? I like a bit of both, depends what.
Long story short, this is an all-terrain vehicle. I'm excited to try it in the winter.
Hey guys, welcome back to part 1 of the new series, trick shots on the Segway. Today's trick shot is go up someone's driveway and ring the doorbell. In case they do come out swinging, I've got all this protective equipment on. It's super important, guys. If you do this at home, please make sure you have the equipment on. Otherwise, it's going to end in disaster. Now, let's watch carefully how I do this trick. Not everyone can do this. You gotta follow me. Yeah, being rudely interrupted by that car. Guys, you gotta be really quiet.
It is a pine cone.
I can see you. Dude, we gotta get away. He's gonna come out, dude. Oh my god. Wait, you hear that? You hear that? No, no. Oh my god. Oh, oh.
Oh my gosh, there's more cars. There's more cars. Ooh. Damn.
Alright, and that's what I call the ding dong Segway and sneak away. Oh, I can't wait to use the restroom. Miles. Oh shit! Oh, oh Miles! Not again, Miles!
The Segway can charge extremely fast, with the maximum being like 3 to 4 hours, and it can go for 20 kilometers at a rate of about 16 kilometers an hour. It's quite fast. I'm riding my Segway everywhere, to and from school, and it's honestly the greatest ore farming tool of our generation. If you're thinking about getting the Segway miniLite for door-to-door sales, I would recommend getting a bigger, bulkier version, just so the battery lasts you all day. Wow. To prove to you how much of a beast the Segway miniLite is, I'm going to climb this rock fixture. Obviously walking is faster, but not having to walk is not too shabby. Like, this is not a shallow hill. I'll show you how far I've gone up once I get to the top. And it has a beeping to slow you down if it feels like you're going too fast. See? Baller.
Bounce on the pavement, city lights in my eyes. Got that funky rhythm, watch me roll, watch me rise. Hands in the air, feel the rhythm in the sway. Life's a little lighter when I'm cruising on my Segway.